Hello, and welcome to the fifth tutorial session on the Park Virtual Learning Platform. In this tutorial session, we'll focus on logic gates. Logic gates is a model of computation used for implementing Boolean functions. A Boolean function is a function which either returns 0 or 1, 0 for false and 1 for true. These functions are then placed into control statements as conditions. Thus, as when we looked at the if condition, a condition had to either be met for any block within this control statement to run. If the condition is false, the condition won't run. If the condition is true, the condition will run. So in this tutorial session, when you select the preset 5, you'll be greeted with this image, which shows a number of logic gates, as you can see, AND OR, XOR, NAND, NOR, and XNOR, as represented here as follows. These are the graphical representations as used in electronics. In our first example, let's drag and drop our when play is clicked block. Then let's drag and drop our if control statement. And finally, let's drag and drop our first logic gate, the AND gate. The AND gate would return true if and only if both parameters return true, meaning this whole if statement will return true if both parameters of the AND gate return true. As seen by the reference, if one of the statements are true and the other is false, then the entire statement becomes false. Meaning if I type in 1 and leave the other as 0 and run, let's say, this play sound block, no sound will play because the entire statement would return false. Pressing play, no sound plays. When we reset and make sure both parameters are true, then the sound will play. I'll allow you to try these other logic gates in conjunction with the reference material here. Looking at the other logic gates, OR returns true if any of the parameters return true. Exclusive OR returns true if and only if at least one of the parameters return true. Not AND returns true if both parameters are not true. NOR returns true if none of the parameters are true. So let me leave you to try out these logic gates, and until the next tutorial, happy coding.